What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and welcome to Dance with VS, Versatile's online street dance tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning the New Orleans bounce. Let's get started. A little history: the New Orleans bounce comes from a style of music called bounce music, made famous in New Orleans. It was popularized in the 1980s, but the dance didn't come until later, more like the 1990s, specifically 1991 to 1992. All right, let's start with the legs. So what we're gonna have our feet shoulder length apart. Then we're gonna be on our toes. From here, we're gonna start to bounce. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, at the same time, we're gonna slightly bend our knees, still keeping that bounce on our toes, and then from here, we're gonna bring our legs in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna face the side and we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna be on our toes, we're gonna start that bounce, and then we're gonna add our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, let's face the back so you can get another view. Again, on our toes, bounce, adding our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our legs. Now let's work on our upper body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our arms right here. Then from here, we're gonna create a circle with our chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, towards the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, because it is New Orleans bounce, and we want to kind of match the speed of our legs, we're going to pick up the speed when it comes to our circle with our chest. Yeah? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's go to tempo, which is even faster. Yeah? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our upper body. Just as a disclaimer, when it comes to the upper body, you can go whichever direction feels comfortable for you. So now, let's put both together, our upper body and our lower body. So let's get on our toes, let's get our knees bent, and let's go slow with our upper body and our lower body. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me face to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, just like we practiced with our upper body, we got to pick up the speed. Yeah? So let's try it a little faster. 8 counts here, 8 counts to the side, and 8 counts back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As a reminder, this is a social party dance, so you can make it your own. If you want to do the New Orleans bounce and you want to add a hop, you can. If you want to take it around in a circle, you can. If you want to go slow and then pick up the speed, it's all up to you. Now, let's try it with some music. All right, now we're gonna try with some music. So we're gonna face the front for an 8 count, then we're gonna face the side for an 8 count, we're gonna face the back for an 8 count, and then we're gonna face the front for an 8 count. And then right after that, I'm gonna freestyle to show you the different variations of where you can take the New Orleans bounce. Yeah? Let's do it. And 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to the side. And 5, 6, 7, 8. To the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for dancing with me today, you guys. Hope you had fun. As some reminders, bend those knees on those toes and create that circle for that New Orleans bounce feel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You could also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersatileLA. You could also follow me at BarryGroove92. Peace.